So hello everyone, this is me Samrat, and today in this video I'm gonna tell you my experience with Akasa Air. So basically I have applied through their portal for the Mumbai location and I have got the invite also because काफ़ी ज़्यादा टाइम से मेरा CV भी shortlisted नहीं हो रहा था. So I have changed the email ID also and changed my resume format also. So अगर आप सभी लोगों को भी जानना है कैसे मैंने resume बनाया, so I'll definitely post any other video जिसमें मैं आप सभी लोगों को बताऊंगा कैसे आप सभी लोग अच्छा सा resume create कर सकते हैं. So let's come up to the video, come up to the point also. So how many rounds were there, how many questions did they ask me? In this video I'm gonna tell you each and everything, so watch this video till end. So alright guys, so there were 3 rounds in my interview because वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा crowded भी था. There were at least 150 candidates. So the first round was GD round. In that round the topic was healthy food versus junk food. So there were almost 12 candidates in my group, and they have selected only 3 candidates. In between जाते जाते हमारे पास सिर्फ we have 2 candidates left because काफ़ी ज़्यादा रिजेक्शन उन लोगों ने BMI में भी किया है. They are very strict about the tattoo scars. If you are having a small scars, they will reject you guys because they are very particular about the BMI criteria. So there was a guy in my batch. So he has a BMI issue also. So his BMI was 26 and they take only 25 under 25 for boys. So अगर आप सभी लोग भी जा रहे हैं so take care रखें, खाना अच्छा खाएं, and BMI should not exceed the level I would say because they are very particular about the BMI. Then उसके बाद we went for the lunch break because lunch break भी हमारा 40 minutes का था. So they gave us time कि आप लोग जाइए and go and have your lunch. And as I'm experienced, I'm already working with Air India right now, so they have asked me all the experience based questions only. And अगर आप सभी लोग freshers हैं तो freshers के लिए they just ask you your introduction and everything. अभी मैं आऊँगा PI round में, आप सभी लोगों को बताऊँगा कि what did they actually ask me in that. So after coming from the lunch break हम लोग गए थे for the PI round. So in that PI round they have asked very simple questions. They have asked about me, and as I am already experienced, so they have asked me very experience based question only. So the first question which they have asked me, so tell me, if we will hire you today, what will you bring to this company? So I have told about my experience that I'm working as a this, and apart from that they have asked me, tell me the situation where you have handled the difficult passengers. So बहुत ही ज़्यादा journal conversation हुआ है हमारे बीच. I haven't like even answer be like I have given very good answer because I have already faced real time experiences in my life. So अगर आप सभी लोग भी इंटरव्यू के लिए जा रहे हैं, just be yourself, know yourself before going to the interview because they will ask you very simple question and उनको कैंडिडेट भी वही चाहिए रहता है जो अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस कर पाए. एंड यू शुड बी मोर टॉकेटिव इन अ इंटरव्यू बिकॉज HR विल जज यू ईच एंड एवरीथिंग बिकॉज वहाँ पे कुछ टाइप भी कर रहे थे, वो फीडबैक भी आप सभी लोग का लेते हैं. And the basis of first, second and third round they will judge you because in the first round there were 2 HR in my group discussion round. So वो भी आपको जज करते हैं. and be confident, smile करते रहिए because smile is the key जो कि Akasa look is basically looking for. And like I have come to Navi Mumbai like Akasa से ही आया था. So they haven't asked me कि how was your journey and all. अगर वो पूछते so I would have told them कि हम Akasa से ही आए थे. And the crew was very supportive. They have treated me very well when I told them that I'm going for the interview. They have treated me very well. So अगर आप भी cabin crew का prepare कर रहे हैं so just be yourself. And अगर आप fresher हैं so just prepare some of the questions जैसे why you want to be a crew, why Akasa. You can easy to like reply these all the questions because अगर आप सभी लोग उनका वेबसाइट पढ़ेंगे ना so they have mentioned their goals कि हमको कौन सा लेवल पहुंचना है इस साल के अंदर एंड इस साल के अंदर. सो अभी I haven't like got any result from Akasa team because they have told me to wait for 2 weeks. I'll get my mail after 2 weeks only. So मेरी तरफ से like I have given my best version in that interview. Let's hoping for the same. Otherwise सब कुछ पप्पा पे डिपेंड है, जो भगवान चाहेंगे वही होगा. So just be yourself, be positive because the thing which is making you different from other candidates, that is your positiveness. मैंने वहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग देखे like मेरी टीम में जो 3 लोग थे वो अपने इंटरव्यू के बाद बोलते हैं लाइक दैट आई गॉट फम्बल्ड इन बिटवीन एंड मेरा तो होगा नहीं, लेट्स सी यू इन नेक्स्ट इंटरव्यू। आई वाज लाइक व्हाई टू वेट फॉर द सच थिंग्स, बिकॉज जो अभी हुआ ही नहीं है उसके लिए क्यों वरी होना है। सो जस्ट बी योर सेल्फ एंड अवॉइड दिस काइंड ऑफ पीपल, क्योंकि जो नेगेटिव वाइब देता है उनसे आप सभी लोग दूर रहिए आई वुड से, एंड प्रिपेयर वेल फॉर योर इंटरव्यूज़। And interviews all about, they just want to know you, they just want to see how confident you are, how expressive you are. So this is all in this video. अगर आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो मेरे से, you can ask me. मैं अपना इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल भी दे दूंगा, if you want to connect me there you can connect me there also. And जैसे ही मेरे को मेल आता है I'll definitely share with you. वैसे तो पॉजिटिव ही आएगा because I was confident in that interview and I have given all the answers very politely, very humbly and very confidently. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you. Bye bye. Take care.